Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today I am here with another topic, that is head injury. In this lecture you will see what is head injury, what causes head injury, and what are the major types of head injury. First you will see what is head injury or what are head injuries. जो ये head injuries है that are common in children and teens. Head injuries are common in children and teens. Head injuries usually they can hurt the scalp, skull, brain, underlying tissues, and the blood vessels. Head injuries जो है they can hurt the scalp, skull, brain, underlying tissues and the blood vessels. जो ये head injuries होती है that can be mild like a bump on the head. It can be mild like a bump on the head or more serious like a or it can be serious like a concussion. In kids, most are mild and do not injure the brain. What causes head injury? What are the causes of head injury? Most head injuries in childhood जो होते that are due to falls. They can also happen from car crashes, bike accidents, sports injuries, or by child abuse. हेड इंजरीज जो है किससे होती है? मोस्ट कॉमनली चिल्ड्रंस में जो हेड इंजरीज होती हैं दैट आर ड्यू टू द फॉल्स और समटाइम्स एक्सीडेंट्स, कार क्रैशेस या समटाइम्स बाय बाइक एक्सीडेंट्स से भी हेड इंजरीज होती है, या एट द टाइम ऑफ जब बच्चा खेलता है सपोर्ट दैट काजेस सपोर्ट्स इंजरीज टू द हेड. ऑल्सो चाइल्ड एब्यूज काजेस हेड इंजरी. These are the causes of head injury. Now you will see what are the types of head injuries. Types of head injuries. Mostly head injuries जो है that can be external or they can be internal. Head injuries can be external or internal. External means when it involves only the scalp. That is known as external head injury. जिसमें इन्वॉल्व सिर्फ स्कैल्प होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं एक्सटर्नल हेड इंजरी. इंटरनल हेड इंजरी वो हेड इंजरी होती है दिस इन्वॉल्व स्कल, इसमें स्कल इन्वॉल्व होता है, ब्रेन एंड ब्लड वेसल्स. These are the types of head injuries, that is the external and the internal. मोस्टली जो हेड इंजरीज होते हैं that are caused by shaking, that are most common in infants and small children. लेकिन जो ये टाइप्स में हम देखते हैं जो हेड इंजरीज के टाइप्स होते हैं that may be external or internal. These are also known as, sometimes this is called as, head injury may either be closed or open type. Closed or open type. क्लोज्ड और ओपन टाइप. क्लोज्ड हेड इंजरी ये वो हेड इंजरी होती है in which injury occurs that does not break skull. Injury does not break skull. And open type of head injury is one in which something breaks scalp and enters the brain. That means this is the internal head injury. This is the internal, and closed type is the external head injury. Closed type or external head injury is the same, or sometimes we can say internal or open type head injury in which break occurs in the scalp, skull and the brain. This is the open type, or also known as penetrating head injury. These are the main types of head injury. Now, what are the major types of head injuries? Major types of What are the major types of head injury? Firstly, you have seen what's head injury. After that, types of head injury. Head injury जो है that may be external, जिसमें सिर्फ involve होता है scalp. उसके बाद है second, that is the internal head injury. Internal head injury वो head injury होती है जिसमें involve होता है skull, involve होता है scalp involve, और साथ ही brain और जो इसके blood vessels हैं वो भी involve होते हैं. Now you will see what are the major types of head injuries. First one is the hematoma. Hematoma होता क्या है? Hematoma is the collection or clotting of blood outside the blood vessels. हेमाटोमा क्या है? इट इज द कलेक्शन और क्लॉटिंग ऑफ ब्लड, जब ब्लड क्लॉट होता है या कलेक्ट होता है आउटसाइड द ब्लड वेसल्स. इट कैन बी वेरी सीरियस इफ अ हेमाटोमा occurs in the brain. Serious if it occurs in the brain. जो ये क्लॉटिंग है that can lead to pressure building up inside the skull. This can cause loss of consciousness, or this results in permanent brain damage. This is the hematoma. Another one is the hemorrhage. Hemorrhage, as you know, it is uncontrolled bleeding. Hemorrhage is uncontrolled bleeding. There can be bleeding in the space around the brain that is called as subarachnoid hemorrhage. Subarachnoid hemorrhage. That means when bleeding occurs in the space around the brain. Space around the brain. That is known as subarachnoid hemorrhage. Or bleeding within the brain tissue, that is known as intracerebral hemorrhage. जब ब्लीडिंग होती है within the brain tissue, that is known as intracerebral. Within brain tissue, when the bleeding occurs, the space around the brain, that is known as subarachnoid hemorrhage. And when the bleeding occurs within the brain tissue, that is known as intracerebral hemorrhage. Another major type of head injury, that is concussion. Concussion occurs when the impact on head is severe to cause brain injury. When the impact on the head is severe enough to cause brain injury, it is thought to be the result of brain hitting against the hard walls of skull or the force of sudden acceleration or deceleration. This is the concussion. Another one is the edema. Edema is also a brain injury, any brain injury that can lead to edema or swelling. Many injuries की वजह से क्या होता है? There occurs swelling surrounding tissues, but it is more serious when it occurs in the brain. Another major type of head injury, that is the skull fracture. That is the skull fracture. As you know, skull fracture fracture is the break in the continuity of bone. So, skull fracture is also a break in the skull bone. When there occurs break in the skull bone, that is known as skull fracture. Skull fracture जो है, that can happen in different parts of the skull. Another one is the contusion. Contusion क्या होता है? This is the bruising. Bruise, also known as bruise. This happens जब blow होता है head पे, that injury या skin पे, and the soft tissue under it. Blood from the blood vessels leak हो जाते हैं. That causes red or purple marks. Bruising, the red or purple marks on the skin. That is known as contusion. Contusion happens when a blow to the head injures the skull and the soft tissues under it. So blood from small blood vessels leaks, causing red or purple marks on the skin. That is known as contusion or also known as bruising. These are the major types of head injury.